Hey everyone! So today I have a wig on that I have never worn and or reviewed, so I thought I'd quickly get on here. Normally I don't post about a wig until I've worn it a few times, but for some reason today I decided I wanted to post about this girl even though I really haven't worn her yet. So this is Chloe by Envy in the color medium brown, and she is what I guess you'd call her a nearly shoulder length bob. She goes just below my chin. She has some long layers, so you can see the bang has some layers in it on both sides. And she has a little bit of a wave, not too much. Let me turn around so you can see the back. It's a bit wavy. I bet if I combed through it, it wouldn't look wavy anymore, and it kind of tucks under, kind of curves under in the back, which, you know, the front is more layered, but the rest of it is a lot more one length. And I'll tell you, when I got her and I put her on for the first time, I didn't like her at all. And so I think I got her off of eBay, I don't know, 5 or 6 weeks ago. And so she's been sitting on a wig stand where I keep all my wigs in my bathroom for all that time. I think I've put her on a couple of times, and each time I put her on, I haven't loved her. You know, though, something I have learned, I need to make sure, I have a winging hair here, I need to make sure the first time I try a wig on, I have makeup on. I don't know what it is about that, but sometimes I'll put wigs on at the end of the day. Like I'll be getting ready for bed and I'll look at a wig on that I haven't worn that's sitting on a wig stand, and I'll put it on and I won't like it. And I really think it has a lot to do with whether I'm kind of made up or not. Because today I got all ready for the day and I decided, I was trying to think, what am I going to wear today? And I looked at her and I thought, well, maybe I'll try this one again. And I put her on and I'm really liking her right now. So I do think if you struggle with wigs, you get wigs and you find you just don't like any of them, are you putting them on in the conditions where you would wear the wig? You know, do you have makeup on? If you wear makeup, are you getting ready for the day? And I do think that does make a bit of a difference. So I'd encourage you to give a wig a couple of chances and try her on in the conditions in which you'll wear her. So just a brief, I'm not going to give you any specs. I never do that because you can read those on your own. My brief impression though is that she's super cute. I wish she had a few more layers because she's pretty blunt in the back, but you know what? I don't look at the back as I'm wearing her, so I guess who cares? I really like these bangs. I think they're super cute and they're really flattering in that they kind of, have a little bit of a fringe. They don't fall in my face, even when I do this. I've got some things right here, some flyaways, but I think those will get tamed. But overall, I don't think this would really bother me. I like to tuck my wigs on this side all the time, and this one's going to be able to be tucked really well. No problems there. This color is a medium brown. The bathroom that I'm in does not have great lighting to be able to see color, but I like their medium brown color a lot. I'm sorry, I have a mirror back here and I kind of went up and looked at it because it's dynamic. It's not just one color of brown. It's got a lot of dimension. It looks like it's got some maybe caramel and some, I would say it probably has some 6 in it. Maybe some, I don't even know. I'll have to play around and look and see if I can find the numbers. But if you're a brunette who likes more of a chocolatey, kind of warm but not too dark of a brown, this is a really pretty color. I think the name doesn't really do it justice. So it's very dynamic, but without looking overly highlighted. It does look like maybe you've had some professional coloring done to it, but really appropriate and subtle. So anyway, long enough video. Chloe by Envy. She has a lace front. I'll show you that. I don't know how well this is focusing. It's hard for me to tell, but it's a very good lace front. It's not dense at all. A lot of times it'll be like a straight line of density. It's really not dense. It has a lace side part. You can see a little bit of knotting there, but it's really fine, and the knotting's not fine, but the density is fine at that part. So I don't feel self-conscious about it at all, but you can always dab on some Great Day powder or maybe put some foundation there if that bothers you. But I would say overall, this is a very good lace front. The ear tabs sit a bit high on me. This is all bio hair, and the ear tab is right here. Right there. So it's, you know, it doesn't, I think it fits me here like an Ellen Villa, but it's not as small of a cap. So, you know, I think it's pretty true to average. I'm a 22 circumference. I just remeasured myself. I thought I was 21.75, but I'm actually 22. So I'm really average. So great. I think she's comfortable. I'll wear her now for the day, and, you know, maybe I'll have some new impressions, but overall, she's a thumbs up. I'm glad I got her, and I'm super glad I got a good deal on eBay. So check out Chloe by Envy if you're interested in a bob length wig. And oh, and the fibers are great. I really like these fibers. They're, I wouldn't call them silky, but they're very, they're not stiff and coarse. So I really like them. I just feel like this feels like a super, super natural wig. Have a good day, guys.